So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can remove from my series in WEBTOON. So guys, if you're reading a certain series and you don't want to read it anymore, but you find it really annoying to see in your list, then this is the video for you. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open WEBTOON first, and your series is right here that says my series. Just go ahead and tap here, and now we can see all the series that you're reading. So if you want to delete it, just go ahead and tap on this delete option right at the top, and now you can see this minus option right here. So if you want to delete it, just tap there and you'll successfully be able to remove the series from your series. So guys, there you go. That's how you remove from my series in WEBTOON. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.